So it looks like we've got to cut through this label here to get inside. There we are. And this should be our new kit. Okay, so it looks like the instructions and the parts are in here. I'm expecting one circuit board and a float switch. So that's the circuit board, and then we've got our float switch. There's nothing else in there. I think somewhere it said it came with some self-adhesive feet. Oh, it looks like they're in here with the circuit board. And they've left it so we can fit them ourselves if we want them. So I'm going to be sticking mine inside an enclosure, so I assume I put the feet on now. Looks like it should be 4. Yep, 4 feet. And that's that. So we just wanted to show you what you get in the box so you know what to expect. So you've got your float switch kit with the 4 feet and instructions all in there, so nice and organized. And that's a wrap for this video. Well, not a wrap, it's a box, haha, but you get the gist of it. So I hope you get your creative thoughts going here. And remember, these are not just for industrial applications. There's a lot of businesses using these already, especially with robotic crop sprayers. They're quite popular. But you can see any other application that you can possibly conceive where you have to deal with waves or ripples in the water. This thing is a good solution.